to the Makar channel. Today we are going to draw a unicorn together. This is a magical unicorn. I love unicorns. Their tails are soft and fluffy. Unicorns are so friendly and kind. Some unicorns have wings and can fly. Let's add some more color to our unicorn. Unicorns make everyone feel happy. They love to run and play in rainbow fields. Unicorns have a shiny, beautiful home. Unicorns come in many colors like pink, blue, and purple. Unicorns love rainbows and glitter. Would you like to meet a unicorn one day? If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you soon, my friends.